This side Vivek. Today we are going to start one session, how to automate Excel with Python. Okay, so basic requirement for this session is you should have fair knowledge of Python and basic knowledge of Excel. Okay, so below there are two libraries. There are two libraries which we usually in the corporate world we use. That is the Excel Wing, Excel Wing, and the second is the Open Excel. So Excel Wing, the problem with the Excel Wing is that if you are automating some report, some Excel report on your desktop, that's work fine, perfectly fine. But when you are automating the reports on the server, then Excel Wings will not work because Linux system does not allow the Excel installation. So, right, OpenPy Excel perfectly support that functionality. Okay, so we will cover OpenPy Excel session here, and first we need to install this library. So, what is the command? Install pip install OpenPy Excel, right? So this is the Python environment we have selected. So this library is already installed on my system. So you can see requirement already satisfied. Next, we will check what is the version of this. So import open IXL print open IXL dot underscore version. Let's print no module OpenPy access. Okay, there's some error here. Open. Okay. Yeah, here you can see on my system this version 3.1.5 is already installed. Okay, so okay, I think so. यहाँ तक you should not have any problem. Next from OpenPy Access we import workbook, right? So from OpenPy Excel import workbook, right? So here you can see suggestions. Yeah, workbook. So workbook, this is the functionality in the library, or we can say this is the module. Module belongs to the OpenPy Excel. So what is the requirement of this when we want to load Excel, right? So we need to import this workbook, right? So there are two ways. One is a workbook, and the second is a load workbook. Okay, load workbook, right? So a load workbook usually we use when we want to use the template, Excel template, template from the some folders, or already there is some data in Excel, so we can use this. So I will show you later on. So from Open by Excel import workbook, right? I think so. यहाँ तो कोई problem नहीं. Okay. Now just we assign object create a new Excel. So in this you can imagine like that, create new Excel. यहाँ से एक नया एक्सेल क्रिएट हो जाएगा, वी इक्वल टू वर्कबुक, राइट, हमने ये असाइन कर दिया. देन again vs this is the just a variable. vs means मतलब एक we can say वर्कशीट लाइक दैट, है ना, वर्कशीट. सो वी हमने वर्क सपोज दैट ऐसे हमको इस तरीके से सोचना है कि और डब्ल्यू वी में हमने एक्सेल असाइन कर दिया. देन नाउ एक्सेल को डब्ल्यू वी एक्सेल को हमने यहाँ पे डब्ल्यू एस इक्वल टू डब्ल्यू वी कर दिया. देन डी एक्टिवेट, हमने एक्सेल को एक्टिवेट कर दिया, राइट. सो यहाँ पे this is the get active. Okay, no problem. Then we say ws dot a1 equal to say hello. Okay, sorry, hello. Then वर्कबुक को हम डॉट सेव कर देते हैं. सेव पे then we need to give the path. Suppose that I am using automate Excel with Python, right? So just I can आप पाथ को स्ट्रिंग बनाने के लिए करते हैं, तो आपको अगर काम किए होंगे तो यू शुड हैव आइडिया अबाउट इट. एंड देन new work, this is the file name XLSX. Okay, this is the extension of the Excel. So now let's execute. Okay, fine. So this code has been executed. Let's see what is saved in the folder, right? So yeah, wait, it is opening. There's something called extension error. Okay, no. Okay, this is my hello. So you can see this is perfectly fine. Let's go back to the code. From OpenPy Excel, from this is the library, we imported the workbook module. From workbook, it's like the assignment of the Excel. So for wv equal to workbook, we have assigned get active. We have activated this Excel file. Now ws a1, this is like a cell address assignment in Excel. So suppose that in Excel, you know, the cell a1 b1 b1 c1 d1, like so. This is a1, right? So a or 1, so we have assigned. Okay, now suppose that we can do like that. A1, yeah. Hello Vivek. Yeah, hello Vivek. Right? Let's execute. Yeah. See? Hey, hello Vivek. So you understand the use of workbook, right? Okay, in the next video I will tell you uh, from open Excel import load the work. Okay, so I will in the next video I will show you how to use the load work. What is the uses of the load work? So slowly I will release the multiple parts of the video. So the purpose what we are going to cover it, I will show you. So we are going to cover installation setup, work, how to work with worksheets, reading, writing cells, style fonts, so styles, number, format, dates, formula, row, columns. So we are going to cover this syllabus, right?